We have been encouraging our parents and our patients here to make sure that they avoid too much of those sugary drinks, too much of those starch. Sio kila time kukula mihogo na kukula ugali na kukula hizi zenye tunaita michele na nini. It's good to incorporate our food with protein, to incorporate our food with water, to incorporate our food with fruits, just to make sure that the body is nourished.
Tugiago ni githuri na indo na dawa ciothe cia githuri. Indi ni cia muhuko. Riu ndaino ko kunywa. Ugu hena utiganu munene muno wa metuko maria mange mothe tuturaga na atongoria. Une tutongoreria wega.
Na experts are cancer, tumana experts are ciana, pediatricians, gynecologists, urologists, oncologists, general physicians. Na twauga na tukugete moke marore andu na noguo magithie na mbere na gwika na njuge ndakena muno ndehete campaign guko gwitu tha ni tuonete maita maingi muno andu aitu matire handu hega urigitani ni ugeire goro muno dawa ni igeire goro muno na nikio riu andu Kiobet Anthony Gitonga ngakiyumiria ngauga ni gwetha arata ngauga ni gwetha resources turehe dawa na twakorwo tukirigita makiria ya andu 1000 aria mokire guku kuma kiroko monwo ni ndagitari nyuma na ndagitari nyingi muno ndehete kuma nginya Mombatha kuma nginya Nairobi